It saved it. It saved. So, yes, that was Shams, and her performance has indeed made today's festival even more colorful as we draw our program to a close. However, we already have with us the names of our winners for cosplay karaoke, and we'll be announcing them in just a short while.
But first, we invite everyone to take part in our festivities with our karaoke open mic later after the program. Registration will be in front of our tech booth over here at the right side, your right side of the stage.
Yes, your right side.
If the number of registrants exceeds the time allotted, participants will be chosen via electronic raffle. This is not a contest, and all of our singing will be just for fun.
Yes,
So we're gonna be
eme lang po.
Eme-eme lang.
Eme lang.
And we would like to take this opportunity to show our gratitude to our amazing partners who have made this event a reality. Sino pa sila?
Yeah, so Cosme 2025 is co-presented by Okada Manila, the ultimate destination for leisure and entertainment.
The Philippines' true Forbes 5-star integrated resort, Okada Manila conjures up the magic tonight as the official host of Cosme 2025. From their exceptional service to thrilling Halloween fun, they have to make your night extra spooktacular.
Yes, and keep the excitement going. Be a Reward Circle member and continue the fun with extraordinary perks and exclusive deals.
Cosme 2025 also acknowledges its amazing featured brands: Brother International Corporation, Calbee, Cos Shop, GameSir, Hawaii Toy Store, Neutral Grounds, Nissin, and Vintage and Retro Convention.
We also acknowledge our media partners, Anime PH, Setsuani, Usama Cosplay, Otaku Bites, and TSKR Tastrip Media.
Also our media partners, Anime Corner, Cosplay Network Philippines, Team Gensokyo, Magic 89.9, Kuhaku Media, and Arcadimac.com.
Cosme 2025 is organized by Cosplay PH, the organizers of the Seasons of Cosplay series, which includes Cosplay Carnival, Fan Fest, Anime and Cosplay Expo ACX, Cosplay Matsuri, and the biggest cosplay event in the country, Cosplay Mania!
Also, please don't forget to answer our survey. You can access the survey using by scanning the QR code here on the screen. And please answer the survey so you can help us improve our events in the future.
Yes, please do, because these feedbacks really help us improve our future shows.
Alright, go on and take out your phone and scan the QR code now.
Yes, please.
Yes, and it has been a fantastic festival like no other, full of exciting contests and games here at the first day of Cosme 2025. We thank you all for participating and giving your best today.
Thank you.
Now, it's finally time to announce who have been victorious in Cosplay Karaoke powered by GameSir, Calbee, Nissin's Yakisoba, and a special prize bag from Okada. And to help us with our awarding, may we call on the representative for Okada Manila, the Assistant Director of Destination Marketing and Partnerships, Mr. Carlo Baldonido.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Alright. First, let's call on our contestant with the second best score from all of our wonderful contestants today. And we'll be taking a cash prize, a certificate, and a merchandise. Our cosplay karaoke runner-up winner is
Drum roll.
contestant number 6, Kenshi.
Congratulations, Kenshi!
Cosplaying as Romano from Hitaya.
Congratulations. As an additional prize, our runner-up will have also earned a slot for our Battle of the Singing Champions, the Cosplay Karaoke Cup at Cosplay Mania in 2026.
Congratulations, and now a quick photo op!
Picture. Congratulations!
Congratulations to our runner-up! And now, it's time to call our contestant with the best overall score! Our cosplay karaoke champion is none other than...
Drum roll.
Makotoru!
With a shocking score of 98.33, congratulations, you are our cosplay karaoke champion!
Our champion will be taking home a cash prize, a certificate of merchandise, and a special control of the GameStar G Plus Bluetooth stretchable mobile game by courtesy of our incredible partner, GameStar, the anti-stick trip experts. Picture muna! Video! Alright, GameStar is committed to crafting reliable gaming peripherals with anti-stick trick technology, ergonomic designs, and cross-platform compatibility because every gamer deserves gear that keeps up with their passion.
Alright, and as an
Group
addition,
photo!
Okay, smile!
Congratulations! Last one!
One more!
Thank you!
so I just have to mention, just like our first runner-up, as an additional prize, our champion has also earned a slot to the Battle of Singing Champions, the Cosplay Karaoke Cup at the Cosplay Mania in 2026. Okay, congratulations, Poland.
Congratulations to all our winners and thank you, sir. Carlo Baldonino. Alright, and thank you, GameStar. And while our main program might be over, our booths and exhibitors will be open through the night. So make sure to drop by them. All of the amazing merch, collectibles, food, and art.
Yes. Oh, what else? Alright,
Oh,
yes. And the memories you'll definitely treasure, make sure to drop by All-Star Avenue, where you can encounter your favorite cosplay heroes, such as J.U.
All star.
Every Strawberry, Katie, Pop Me, Ed Goseng, Shams, Jesse Gosser, and our media partner, the team from ArcAniMap.com.
Woohoo! And stick around for more wonderful things to claim and conquer at our second round of Lasunan Charot Cosplay Auction. Then sing the night away with Karaoke Open Mic.
And thank you everyone for attending the first day of our Fall Festival here at Cosplay 2025. Join us again for day 2 as we present even more exciting attractions.
So grab your partner and rise the song. Oh, video.
Grab your partner. Okay, go continue.
Okay, go.
Okay, grab your partner. Rise to the top of the competition as we deliver the second day of Duo Dash. Then prepare the test of your knowledge of places, both real and fictional, and track down the most iconic locations in anime with our engaging stage game called the Geo Hunter. Both are open for everyone as we will be getting contestants from our audience.
Yes,
Wow.
take note, guys. See you tomorrow. So our festival of music and dance continues with incredible feats from our guest performers, I Dream It.
I'm dreaming all the while.
Wow.
Then witness a cosplay clash of heroic proportions as we present Cosplay OTP Heroes and Villains Edition, powered by GameSir. With our special cosplay judges, Rika Ortiz, Kioske, and Cosmix guest cosplayer from South Korea.
South Korea.
South Korea!
And then stay tuned as we reveal our special guest for our next event. Ayun! Cosplay Matsuri! And it will be happening.
Pagkamali-mali ito, no?
Medyo mali timing pero pwede na rin. Sige, but it's gonna happen on December 28, 29, and the 30th. On behalf of our hardworking staff and crew of CPH, thank you very much. This has been your host, Art.
Do come back tomorrow for more fun and excitement. This has been your host, Corin.
And my name is Ken Koy, K-E-N-K-Y, because we are still reminding everyone to please stay safe, stay awesome, and keep cosplaying!
Hey!
Hey! Di ba tapos?
Di ba tayo tapos? May nabanggit ka nilang nasunod eh, di ba?
May nabanggit niya ako. If you think your wallet isn't in danger yet, this is the next segment for you because we're about to continue our cosplay auction! Yes, you thought your wallet is safe, but no. We have another part for cosplay auction. So coming up are our items soon right here. So if you'd like to participate, please feel free to occupy the stage. Just on the audience area for our stage. So without further ado, I think we should start with our beloved first item for our cosplay auction. Okay pa kayo, guys?
Okay ba kayo?
Okay na tayo!
Meron tayo dito masungit na bidder.
Naku po.
Ito yung bata na wala. Ito na yung bata. Yung bata lagi magbibigyan ng piso. Ayan na. Naglabas na ng wallet niya.
Ayan na! Because the first item is actually Jujutsu Kaisen plushie. Starting bid is at 1 peso.
1
Bakit
peso?
kayo sa akin ng pito? 50 pesos!
50 pesos!
50 pesos right now!
Pesos, guys!
Jujutsu Kaisen!
Jujutsu Kaisen fans, rise up!
Teka,
Sino to?
kinikilig siya sa 50 pesos.
Sino to? Is this? Sorry, I can't see from here. Sino yan? Asa
Ano
Togi!
ka?
Togi Inumaki!
Ay, ito mga kalita. Going once!
Teka lang, natutuwa siya. Ano, natutuwa ka ba? Excited ka ba?
Yes!
Let's go, guys! Going once, 50 pesos!
Going twice for 50 pesos. Ay, maboy.
Ay!
60 pesos!
60 pesos! Miss!
70!
Lumalaban na siya ngayon!
Lumalaban!
Lumalaban na!
70 na, 70!
200! 200!
Sino 200?
200 daw!
Sino na 200?
Ayun, from the girl in the back, yes, 200!
May nang 200!
Hala, masyak-syakin na laban niya yung bata!
Lalaban niyo!
Hala! Nakasama. 200 na yung last pick.
Ito, napakabot ulit.
Napakabot tuloy siya. Tapos si ate dito, may espada, malalaksak na siya.
So the current bidder is 200 pesos!
200.
Baka may mag 200 din! Baka meron mag 200 din!
Wait lang.
Wait,
200 takers or cancel?
na-cancel na bid!
Cancel the bid!
So ano yung last bid natin bago mag 200? 70.
70.
70 sa kanya. Would like to outbid 70? 70, 80?
No.
80!
80!
100.
Ayaw ka ba? 90! 90!
90 pesos na.
May kalaban!
Ayun na, kinikilig mo, 90 pesos!
O para tayo nagpipit, kakigulo ito, para tayo nagpipit.
Kakiguli maso!
90. 100.
100!
100 na. Kaya mo yan.
Oh, yan na, may sponsor! Let's go!
170.
150!
Yeah! 150! Aspa! I'm discussing right now. The panel is in discussion.
Dito ako kay ano,
160 kaya mo yan.
champion ko eh.
Hindi kaya mo yan. Lumalaban lahat ng Demon Slayer.
Laban!
Lumalaban lahat ng Demon Slayer. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan.
Uy, sakto yung tema, tingnan mo, may sumay yun.
Ako lang yung wala na kasama sa akin.
Eh, dito ako kakampi.
150.
Tapos ko to dito.
150 going once. 150 going twice.
150 going!
So, palakpakan! Para sa bata! makita, pwede niyong lapitan dito.
Pwede nyo po tingnan.
Pwede niyong tingnan, pwede niyong kausapin. 20 pesos.
20 pesos. 20 to I hear 20, 30 pesos para kay Kirby. 20 pesos ang last bid para kay Kirby. 20 pesos. Anyone would like to bid higher than 20 pesos to I hear 30? 20 pesos going once. 20.
Going tops. Up.
Sir, sir. 50.
Sorry sir, minauna na ako sa iyo. 50. Gawin mo 60. Hindi, naman na siya. Kasi di ako ng 50.
60.
70.
70.
70. 80.
100.
110.
120.
150. 150. Kaya minutes sir. 150.
150. 150.
O diba sabi sa iyo, 150 wala siya eh.
150 going once.
Going twice.
150 going.
So!
Congratulations.
Yan po sir. Ano nakita ko kakikuloy?
Next item.
Next is a one-piece figurine.
Uy, one piece.
One piece. So the starting bid is at 50 pesos.
50 pesos lang. Figure na.
So it's a Luffy? Si Luffy ba to? Sorry, hindi ko makita. Si Luffy?
Luffy.
Yes. Okay, one piece na figurine starting bid is at 50 pesos.
50 pesos.
50 pesos. Do I hear what?
50.
50.
100. Sa akin.
100?
150.
150.
160.
160 for Kenkoy.
200.
200.
Sige.
250.
250.
280.
280.
280.
300. The stakes are getting higher.
300. Baka may mag 300 din. Baka meron po gusto
Patingin niya, patingin, patingin.
Reminder, pwede po mag-increments of 10 pesos.
300. 320.
320.
Kala mo.
350. I heard 350. Okay, 350.
Nasaan? 350. 350. Ayun, 350.
360. Baka meron po mag 360.
360. Ayun na, bumabalik na si ate. Oh. Para makakawithdraw na ulit siya. Handa na siya mag-bid ulit. Oh.
Okay, 350 going once.
400.
400.
400. Let's go.
400. 410. 410.
410 or higher.
400 going once.
400
Going
going twice. 400 going.
Blending na.
Congratulations, you win the one-piece figurine.
For 400 pesos. Next item.
Nakaka-cosplay ng...
Our next item po is ito, okay. So this is teka lang po. Okay. This is a Japanese jacket and wolf cut wig. So dalawa na po siya, my guys.
Paano mo
Uy, ang
masabing
ganda!
Japanese?
Uy, ang ganda niya! Ganda! Starting bid is at 1 peso.
1 peso.
Uy, ganda!
Pwede nang panimula to. May wig na.
Ano to, unisex?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But it's a Japanese jacket and a wolf cut wig po. So dalawa na po yan. So
Tapos-
the bid is at 1 peso.
Pag sinuot mo to, no, kanta ka ng Otola Blue. No kita na siya. May ibang size to,
May
ha?
bang size pa daw?
Ha?
May bang size pa daw nito.
Does it have nakalagay po ba?
Medyo goods naman.
Mukha naman siya, small.
Mukhang marami namang magkakasya dito.
Ilan? Sige, ilan heart? Ilan magkakasya siya?
Tatlo to.
Ano ba, ano to?
Okay, so starting bid is at 1 peso right now.
May
Wolf
kasamang
cut.
wig?
May
Yes, may
kasamang
kasama
wig.
po
O, dalawa yan. May wig na naman.
Wolf cut wig.
Wolf cut, may ano, may...
Hindi pa si What
50
Happened.
pesos. We have a first bid.
Wala pang What Happened, Ben. Ayan, ha?
100!
100.
150 pesos.
150. 200.
300!
300.
400!
200 is the last bid.
Last bid. 350! 350! 400! 450! 450! 450! Kaya tatabihan ko to, kasama ko to sa kakikuloy. Mananalo to, sa bet to eh. Ay, sa bet sa kakikuloy.
Kaloka.
Oh, mananalo to.
Wala to. Raise the stakes ka lagi.
What's our current bid? Our current bid is
450.
450.
500?
500.
510.
520.
160.
600.
600 going once.
600 going twice.
Ilang bit ako? 610. 600 going, and
So, congratulations! You may claim them here in front.
Masarapan?
Okay, our next item is an Umi Sonoda anime figurine. Starting bid is at 100 pesos.
100 pesos lang. Asan ang ating
Ano
item?
po ang ating item? There it is. There you go.
Ayun.
Umi Sonoda.
Joke lang, ito pala. Ito pala. Okay. Si Umi. For 100 pesos.
Umi!
Umi is starting bid at 100.
Umi! Ha? 100!
100.
150.
150.
150 ba kayo na may sunod, ha? 150 na po.
Ano yan? What's the bid?
150 na.
150 na yung current bid, sir.
Hindi na nakikinig. 150, anyone higher than 150 to kayo 160. 300?
300.
300 na po para kay special figure in Umi. 300 na po, anyone higher than 300 to kayo 310. 300 going once.
300
Going twice. 300 going. Sold. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Kapit na lang po tayo dito.
Okay, up next for Kimetsu no Yaiba Demon Slayer fans, this is for you. It's a Zenitsu plushie. Starting bid is at 1 peso.
1 peso, guys! Ang cute niya, guys!
Nakachunta na siya!
Ano? Teka! 50 pesos! Okay! Ito na ulit! Our favorite winner! Let's go! 50 pesos!
At ang buong bayan ay tumiglo.
Nasa cute niya!
It's game over.
50 pesos! Baka may gusto ng 60!
For context, siya yung nakikita natin
Oo,
na
siya
diba,
yun.
nag-bibit ever since sa mga cosplay events. Ito,
Go,
nanalo na siya
boys!
ngayon!
Palaging tirador ng cosplay
Oo.
auction yan. Pagbigyan niya.
Yan ako, 50 pesos!
Quiet. 150.
150!
150!
150.
Yes, ano po?
Dagdagan mo sa lupis. 151. 151. Pagbigyan.
Pagbigyan, sige.
Bigyan natin.
Pagbigyan natin. 151.
200.
200!
200!
Baka 200 pa.
Napakamot na ng ulo!
Okay, so...
200. Going once.
200 going twice!
200!
200 going sold! Okay, next item.
Hello?
This is a... Okay. Oh, are we allowed? Can we? Ah, hindi pwede. Okay, hindi pwede. So, it's a Dakimakura pillowcase of Hosho Marine.
Okay.
Di mo pwede i-review.
Guys,
Sorry.
disclaimer, hindi namin pwedeng ipakita ng buo.
Di mo pwede.
Pero ito pa lang, okay na. Ganyan lang ang pwede nyo makita, guys.
So it's a Hosho Marine
Okay.
Dakimakura pillowcase. Starting bid is at 1 peso.
1 peso. Yes, sir. Ha? 1K? 1K agad! 1K agad, good sir!
Wala na.
Single.
Pops, wait. Meron pa nagpipid doon sa gilid.
Oh!
1-5.
5!
Malamig ang simo.
Gusto ko yung partida, di pa nila nakikita yung buo. Pero, I think hindi kayo talo, sigurado.
Ay, hindi. Worth it yan. Super 1.5 right now. Current bid.
Hindi pwede ipakita, pero ako namang
Sir,
sasabi. Hindi
1.5
kayo talaga
yan.
talo. Hindi kayo talo.
1-5 ang last bid. 1-5. Anyone
If
na
not-
higher than 1-5. Sir, i-2,000 mo na. Sir, mahimbing ang tulong mo mamaya.
Oh, sir, sir na.
2,000.
Hindi ka talo. Full size daw to.
Full size.
Yes,
Full
yes.
size ka.
Full size
Ulo,
po.
anong ang paa.
Back to back pa.
Back to back. Dakimakura po siya. So
Dakimakura.
full body po.
Full body, harapan
Teka,
ko.
so may likod din, di ba?
Yes, meron ka. Two sides.
Ay, meron din.
family-friendly po tayo for today.
Okay, 1,500 going once.
1,500
Going twice.
1,500 going
So, congratulations.
Pumunta ng Cosmate, nakauwi ng waifu. Let's go! Congratulations. You may please claim your items here along with your payment.
Nanghilig pa siya sa kasama niya ng
Ay, gusto ko to.
Uy, maganda yung susunod.
Ganda nito! Hatsune Miku fans, right
Sakto,
now!
magko-concert siya dito sa Pilipinas!
This is a Miku... Oh my goodness! This is a Miku Racing 2022 model kit. Starting price at 120 pesos.
120.
Hindi biro to guys.
200.
500, 500.
250.
Hindi biro to. Ang laki.
600.
600!
700.
700! 1,000! 1,000 right now! Kami mo 1,010! Baka meron po.
1,000 na agad eh, gagi.
Ano, sir? 1, 2.
1,2!
1,200.
Hindi na gets siya sabi. Alam ko may sinasabi something.
The current bid is 1,200 to our good sir.
1,200 for Hatsune Miku Racing 2022 model kit.
Guys, ang laki niyan. Oh,
Yeah.
sulit.
1,210.
1,210.
No, 1,210.
Baka meron? If not, 1,200
110 going
going
once. 1,210 going twice.
Oh, 1, 3. 1, 3.
1,300.
May nag-1. 1,310.
1, 4. 1, 4.
1,410.
1,410.
1, 4, 10.
Going once. Going twice. 1,410. So.
Congratulations!
1,410 na 1,410. Nagpapuntay ka ba? 1,4 lang sa'yo.
Okay,
1,410. Ang last beat. 1,4 lang yung last beat mo. 1,410 may nag-beat. I'm so sorry.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, next item, HoloLive fans rise up. This is a Advent Shiori blanket starting bid at 1 peso.
You know.
Uy, you know? Makita mo.
Yan, laki nito.
Okay, ayan.
Maghawak.
Tama, pawis na ako.
Ako rin eh. Uy, uy.
Last, starting pay.
1 peso.
1 peso para
1
sa
peso para sa isang napakalaking blanket. 50. 100.
600. 650.
Okay, 650.
Pwede pa babaan ng ilaw? Medyo hindi namin kita yung nabibit sa dulo. Yan.
Yan.
Ayan.
Okay, last beat, 650.
Guys, I think meron nang gugulo dito sa gilid, oh. Yeah, oo.
Teka, ano yan?
Ano yan? Ano dyan? Ano dyan?
Ano yan? Magbibig ba yan, sir? 700. Anong bid, sir? 700. Ano yung, magkano? 2,000!
Oh my goodness! 2,000 right now for the
Yeah,
big
yeah.
blanket!
Wala na siyang pake! 700, 300, hindi! 2,000 agad!
Kaya
2,000!
Kaya pala Pilipin ang hawak-hawak sa mga
Kaya nga, kaya!
2,000 going once!
Mga mabubuting kaibigan to, pero
2,000
wala yung dapat yung mic.
Going twice! 2,000 going!
So!
Congratulations!
Ilan sila? 5? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Kaya siya lang, eh!
Kasya naman silang 5 dito.
Kasha!
Kasi, ang nangyari, siya lang yung pinipigilan lahat sila pumipigil.
Sige, sa presito kayo magpaliwanag. Joke lang. Ito, dito lang claim nyo dito. Sir, sir. Sige, sir. Sir, dito kayo mag-claim. Pasok na dito.
Pasok po. Congratulations, you win our
That's-
item. Okay, next up, this is a My Melody authentic plushie. Starting bid is at, guys, are you ready for the starting bid?
Teka. Dapat makita
Wait
ko
lang
rin.
po, may starting bid po.
Guys, bigyan ng mic to. Bigyan ng mic.
Teka, sige, yung mic na ba? Ayan.
Starting bid 500. Guys,
Tama.
My melody, yes.
My Melody, My Harmony, 500. Anyone who would like to be?
My Melody Plushie 500 starting bid.
Si Ate Kamot.
Naka-ready na yung wallet. Eh, bigla ko sinabi
Bigla ko,
starting
wala
bid.
ay, wala na, bye. No.
Anyone? 500 Melody, My Melody, 500. Anyone going, and next.
Next item na tayo.
Oh. Okay, next item. This is a cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll!
Cinnamon roll.
Roll naman.
Cinnamon
Ayan,
roll.
bumalik.
Ang starting bid ay 1,000.
Starting bid is 500.
500.
500 po, naman sir. 500.
500 Cinnamon roll. Cinnamon roll, 500. Pagregalo kayo na darating na undas. Pasko!
Pasko! Pasko!
Hoy!
Iwas sa stereo.
Guys, the starting bid 500. 500 for cinnamon roll na plushie.
Going,
And wala po. Wala. Next. Okay, unfortunately. Next item is...
By the way, pwede po ang Gcash ha? Tama di ba? Pwede Gcash?
Gcash pwede. Kanina Gcash pwede.
Okay, our next item, a Luminasa Fern purple box. Purple box daw ang description, so let's have it. Purple box, pero figurine po.
Freire.
Freire. Okay, so starting bid of this Luminasa Fern
Fern.
is 100 pesos.
100 na 200 agad.
250.
Ha? Eh, 300.
300.
Okay, dito ako.
400.
400.
500.
500.
Dila. Dila.
500, anyone higher than 500? Do we hear 550 or 600? 550 or 600, 500 going once.
500 going one.
500 going
Going
twice.
twice.
Para sa firm figurine, 500.
So, congratulations po.
Next item.
Hololive na Advent pa to. Feeling ko Advent na ba to? Kanina kasi myth daw sabi, nagkamali po. So this one is Advent Hololive Sheary Blanket.
Oh,
Blanket po para nasaan yung mga
Asan yung nagtugay kanina?
Nagtugay kanina.
Yan, tukay kanina. May kakambal yung ano.
nandun sila sa halaman, nakatungkay ka na.
May kapares.
Balik po kayo dito. Starting bid is at 1 peso.
1 peso.
Ay, wow.
Alam ko, magbibit eh.
Alright, 200.
200.
200. Dito ka dyan, 200. 250 dito sa laban. 300.
300.
350.
400.
400. 400. 600. Ala?
Wala na.
Ayun.
500 is the current bid going once.
Going once.
500 going twice.
500.
500 going twice.
550. 550.
550.
550. Mga lumabang 550 doon yung 600. Ano yan? 600.
600. 600.
Do we hear 650?
650.
650. 700. 700. 750. 750. 800. Gawin mo ng 1,000.
Isipin mo yung kakambal nito, 2K.
750 na. Going once.
Going once.
Going twice.
Going twice.
750. So! Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Ay, ma'am.
Okay, next
750 sa'yo.
item.
Dami mo kayo.
Okay, next item is a Kurumi?
Ah, Kurumi.
Kurumi. Baka nakalagay Kurumi. Okay. Kurumi pillow. Eh, sa ano ko, nakabang na si ano.
Nakapang mo nito.
Abang na si Kama.
Ready ka ba? Ready ka ba sa starting
Ready
bid?
yan? Ready?
Ano ba starting
Starting
bid?
bid is 500.
500
Okay,
ulit.
dali. Dali. 500 daw. Come on, come on. Come on.
500 ulit.
O, 500 po na naman ang starting bid.
Sino gusto mag-bid ng 500 na kurumi para kay ate? It's a season of giving.
500 going once.
Damon din siya.
500 going twice. And next. Goodbye. Next is a Espresso Asuna blue swimsuit na figurine.
Uy!
Uy.
Starting bid is at
200.
Sword.
Sword art.
Oh, sword art, sword art.
400.
400. 500. New Era 600.
Wala na, tapos na.
500.
500.
500 is the current bid.
500 dito sa gitna, 500.
Right.
550.
550.
600, 600. 560.
560. 560 is the current bid.
570.
570.
580.
580.
600.
590.
Check mo yung wallet. Check mo
Check
yung
wallet. Okay, accounting.
Oh, 580.
Confirm sa accountant. Ano, 590? Ano na?
600.
600.
610. 610.
610?
600 din sa kanya.
600 sa kanya.
650.
670.
670.
670 daw.
670. 680. 680. 7. 7.
700.
700.
Teka, ano?
710.
No more na. 700 going once.
Aserihin na daw. Aserihin.
700 going twice.
700 going in.
Sold! Yes!
Congratulations, Pandor. Joke lang.
Alright, let's proceed with our next item. This is a Celestial VB Marian. Oh, this is actually our last item. So, unfortunately, yes, it is our last
Last item,
So,
last
this
item.
is a Marian figurine.
Anong dress up darling?
Yes, dress up
Dress up
darling.
darling.
So, starting bid is at 100 pesos.
100, 200, 400, 400, 500. Hindi, 500 na sir nauna. 550.
550.
560.
560.
600.
600.
610. Ha? 600. 600 na last bid. 600 ang last bid para kay Maureen.
650.
650 na. Do we hear 660? 660. 660 para sa item na to. Last item na po to mga kaibigan. 660. 650 last bid going once.
650.
Going twice.
Wala na talaga?
Asan yun ang 650? Asan yun